welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing of the box by Fashionsta. It is a $25 monthly subscription box that comes with 5 to 6 items, full size. And hi, hello, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer, and I do unboxings, I do makeup related material, and as per my channel name, I am agoraphobic, and I talk about agoraphobic topics as well. So if you are interested in any of those subjects, or say you are interested in all of those subjects, then I highly suggest that you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell and set it to all so that you are notified every time that I upload a video. So, if you're interested in seeing what is in this box, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, if you hear noise outside, people are still doing yard work in the middle of December. I can't believe it. The grass is dead, people. Deal with it. Okay, we stopped our lawn service back at the beginning of November, and people are just mowing dead grass right now. And the other thing, if you have noticed, yes, I have worn my Crazy Cat Lady shirt 3 videos in a row. Sometimes when you're just feeling a certain way, you know, some people turn to comfort food and stuff. Well, I turn to my comfort sweatshirts and comfort hoodies. And, yeah, that's just the way it is. So I'm not really apologizing for it, so you'll just have to look at my Crazy Cat sweatshirt again. So, okay, again, the box is $25 a month. I will link it down below in case you are interested. And let me know if you get this box. So let's see what is in it. Okay, this actually is technically the November box, but I got it so late that I'm calling it the December box. Okay, this is the box. The theme is gratitude, and there are 5 items in it. Now, these are usually all makeup items. Usually. And, well, the big thing about this box is it's all from Indie Brands. But it does contain skincare sometimes. But let's just see what we got. Okay. We have to deal with all of these things in the box. Okay. So, no, we have some leave-in conditioner. Okay, so it's not all makeup, by Soleil. And it looks like this. I like leave-in conditioner. It's at Let Your Hair Shine. It's their Instagram. It's $25. And it says, replenishing Morocco leave-in conditioner penetrates into frizzy, dry hair to smooth each strand, hydrates, renews, and repair the damages from excessive heat and harmful styling. Cruelty-free. I can already smell it from here. Oh, it doesn't have a safety seal on it. It smells very much like conditioner. So, I don't particularly like getting hair products in my boxes, but because I don't use a lot of products in my hair, but I do use leave-in conditioners in my hair, so I do like that. Okay, let's see what's in this right here. Okay. This is Whole Body Natural Deodorant Spray. Okay, what I said about makeup is not true. Okay, who's this by? Okay, it's by the Lifestyle Company of Los Angeles. Whole Body Natural Deodorant Spray, $24. A refreshing plus deodorant spray, a refreshing and deodorizing spray formulated with aloe vera, tea tree oil, and our proprietary antioxidant blend that absorbs sweat and moisture. Vegan and cruelty free. So let's smell this. Oh, I can smell the tea tree oil in that for sure. So, okay, that's interesting. Okay, and then we have this little thing right here. One end says concealer, one end says highlighter. It's by Blend. Okay, it's a natural eyebrow pencil, concealer, and highlighter for $20. Use it to highlight the under eye area, cheeks, and brow bones, or dab it onto breakouts and discolorations to smooth complexion for an even tone. Vegan and cruelty-free. Did I say it was $20? Okay, I don't really use products like this. I might save it for a giveaway, or I don't know what I'm going to do with it. We will see. Okay. Then we have something else from Blend. It is right here. It is a depuffing and tightening eye cream for $20. Okay, this invisible layer works to visibly tighten and lift crow's feet and wrinkles surrounding your eyes. Smooth skin surrounding under eye bags, making them shrink from view in minutes. Vegan and cruelty free. So, it's a tightening cream. So I imagine you see it work instantly when you put it on. I think, what is that? Thomas Ross has something like that. Let me know if you've used something like this before. I'd be interested to try that out. And last, we have by Catherine Girl, Brows by Natalie, for $28. Okay. That's what she looks like. And it says, a brow kit designed for everything you need to create your favorite brow look. 3 brow cakes and a brow wax to set, seal, and deliver. Vegan and cruelty free. Did I say it was $28? Okay, I don't use brow products really. I have my Kosas brow gel, and that's all I really use. So hopefully somebody else can use this. And yeah, that is all the products we get in here. I will put down below the retail value of the box. And again, we got this leave-in conditioner. We got this, what is it? Whole Body Natural Deodorant Spray. We got this depuffing and tightening eye cream. We got this natural eyebrow pencil, concealer, and highlighter. And this brow cake kit, Brows by Natalie. And I gotta say, I didn't get an eyeshadow palette in this one. Usually you get an eyeshadow palette in every one. And so I gotta say, this was definitely not a great box. I would probably give it a 1 out of 5. So, I don't know. Let me know if you get this box, if you were happy with it. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below for it. It's not a referral link or anything like that. It's just a link to the site where you can sign up for this box if you want. Like I said, it's just like BoxyCharm, 5 full-size products, but it's still $25. And yeah, like I said, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you thought of this video. And I hope you are having a super fantastic day today. And let me know if you are or not. If you are not, I hope something comes along and it picks up your day so that you can have a super fantastic day today. And if you are having an especially hard time today, know that I am thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. And remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. Okay, stay safe, stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.